Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. In this channel, we discussed a lot of topics with respect to ServiceNow, such as tips, tricks, best practices, out-of-box solutions, uh, lesson learning, etc. So when you have a time, you please watch those videos. I hope it definitely help for your business landscape. In today's session, we are going to talk about this data auditing. In the previous video, we discussed when we use the Now Assist, what are all the area we need to focus. So this session is a little extension of that data related view. So if you want to understand more with respect to Now Assist data point of view, please refer previous video. May that will help you. So data auditing, it is pretty much important to improve maturity in your business landscape. How to do the data auditing? That is a big question mark, right? We are talking data auditing is a pretty important element, but how to do it? Do we have any capability in ServiceNow? If yes, what are all they? If we are using those capability, it will give a 100% output, or do I need to consider any other additional manual related activity? Those are all the major point we are going to discuss in this session. Moving to the next slide. These are all the data audit channels currently available in our business landscape. Sorry, in ServiceNow landscape. Uh, I personally felt, I personally experienced with this activity. There are three channels currently available to ensure the data quality in the business landscape. Channel number one, there is a default app available in your ServiceNow store. That app, it is completely free, but you won't get any support from ServiceNow. ServiceNow only prepare that app from innovation team. But if you have any questions or if you have any problem in this app, ServiceNow won't give a support. It doesn't mean it will not give a 100% result. It will give a result. If you are expecting some additional functionality or something it is not working, so that time ServiceNow will not support you. So some terms and conditions apply when you are using this store app. So I just highlighted this app link here. So just click it, then it will route it to your store app. There you can download it and install in your instance. There is a two major item in this channel: data profiling and rule management. So this data profiling and rule management, it is strongly helping which table I need to do the data quality. So data quality means we are talking every table, but mainly if you are a IT landscape, if you are an IT landscape, incidents and service request, it's frequently creating, and it's frequently we are checking the quality of the data, because that incident and service request is mainly playing in the operation basis related issues. So you can check those table data and you try to understand what are all the improvements we can bring to improvise our business landscape. So those two table is a base example to understand this data quality. So similar way, if you have a customer service management, if you have a HRSD management, you know what are all the tables you need to refer it. So case tables, both are a case table, but in a different table name. So this is a customer service management case table. That one is a HR service management case tables. So table name is little different because of that application, because of that plugin. So each and every information you are going to do that verification with the help of existing table. That table it having a field, that field it having a data. That is a hierarchy here. So if you refer those data, then you can understand which improvisation we need to enable in those fields. So it's connected with your catalog again. That means you are connecting or you are collecting that relevant problem related information based on your catalog driven approach. So the major common layer for your ITSM, HRSD, CSM, it's a catalog driven approach. So what are all the problem the end user is facing, those all are using those catalogs and they are creating a ticket, but the catalog presence it will differ based on your application. So if you do the auditing into the table data, then you can understand what are all the catalog based improvement we need to enable in that application. That conclusion you can come. So in that conclusion side, this store app definitely will help you, because what are all the things you need to do, these that everything you can filter out using this data profiling and rule management. It's free of cost only. Please download it, install your instance, try that magic in the business landscape. You can see the real benefit. But remember one thing, you need to do that configuration. So the data profiling and rule management area, which table, what type of rule you need to build it, based on your requirement you just build it. There is no code related activity, it's a simple configuration related activity. Just to try it. I'll plan one more call to explore this app, understand how it is working in your business landscape. Element number 1 is over. Element number 2, uh, most of the business, they will do this manual data auditing, manual data quality check. So they have some checklist. The checklist is applicable for your operational data and your foundational data. Operational data, I mean to say that ticket, incident ticket, task ticket, request ticket, case ticket, etc. So those are all the things, it comes under your operational data. So if you are auditing this operational data, then you can understand in catalog side what are all the changes I can bring, what are all the changes I need to focus to improve the data quality. Next to foundational data, this is part of your user data, user data, configuration item data, assert data. In the foundational data itself, the user data, we have a lot of we have a lot of informations like a business unit, department, location, user related, all informations, etc. So those things, if you focus, then you are bringing that data accuracy in the foundational data aspect. And data auditing, when it should happen, because I want to improve this data quality, then I need to plan it. How I can plan? Mostly I recommend every quarter you do the auditing. So before that, please assemble one team specifically for your data quality auditing purpose. So that team needs to pitch in every quarter. That team needs to evaluate that data quality in the landscape and try to understand what percentage we have improvised compared to your earlier state. And next two item, it is a default item. Data policies, you know, how UI policy we are talking similar way. The data policy also one of the main course for your input inside the data or outside data. So here also one of the configuration aspect we need to do it, which field it is mandate, because if you want to get those information, then you should make those field as mandate. If not, then you don't allow to submit, or you don't allow to accept that data inside the table. So those type of definition you can define in this data policy. Next, build reports and analytics. This is also pretty important role. Like what are all the items you are talking in ServiceNow side? In the experience component, one of the component is reports and dashboards. That means analytics. Now the dashboard is converted as a platform analytics. So this reports, it is specifying your diagrammatic representation. Based on the diagrammatic representation, you can understand how much improvement it is done compared to earlier, etc. So those things you can achieve it via this manual element. I hope it makes sense. Additional things also you can include, depends your business requirement. So the first element and the second element, it's a cost free one time effort to develop the framework. So once the framework is ready, it's completely independent. If today one person is there, that person needs to follow this framework and do the auditing and close it. Unfortunately, that person is not available in the next quarter to do the data quality check. Then no worries, we have a framework. We just share the knowledge to the other person and follow the framework and continue the same type of activity and come to the conclusion. So that's the way we can define this element 1 and element 2. We have a one more element that is called agentic AI assessment. So everywhere we are talking AI. So in the data quality point of view, also do we have any channel? Yes, we have a channel that is called agentic AI assessment. This agentic AI assessment, it having a three major component: knowledge article optimizer, service catalog optimizer, agentic AI now assist optimizer. The first two, it's clearly explained, because wherever you go, first you will come to that catalog portion. So ServiceNow understood that pulse. That's the reason, how to optimize the service catalog. That is a pretty much important part. They understood it and they developed this capability or functionality in the agentic AI assessment. So service catalog optimizer, you know it well. Next, knowledge article, it is guiding the people how to follow, how to create, how to maintain. So those informations also pretty much important to maintain the original data. So knowledge article and service catalog optimizer, both items are pretty much important. ServiceNow provided the default capability, and you can use that capability and try to optimize your catalog and knowledge article as you requested. Next is now assist optimizer. This is a important part. This now assist optimizer, what it is going to do is, how many custom fields are there, what is the importance of the custom fields, how it should react the custom fields, how it should behave like a data collection area. So those type of guidance you can get it from this agentic AI or now assist optimizer. It's an excellent feature. There also you can get the specifications, like where I need to focus: high priority one, medium priority one, critical priority one, low priority one. That type of segregations also there. So I would recommend to talk to your ServiceNow account executive in the business aspect and try to get this agentic AI assessment for a few days. Explore this item. It's little interesting. I enjoyed a lot. So you please try it. I don't have that instance. Mostly it is comes under your business instance, and unfortunately I'm using only the PDIs. So PDIs only I can share in this common dias. So I cannot use my business instance. So in this PDI, you cannot use this agentic AI assessment. So you need a business instance. Talk to your account executive, get the guidance, and try to install this. You already have a historical data. Using that historical data, it brings that magic in your business landscape. So you will enjoy it. So specifically, this now assist optimizer, field wise, data wise, it will give you a much more comfort zone. But major thing is it is a cost associated. So you need to purchase this plugin so that it will work. But it's a very good investment if you want to improve your business landscape. It's a power weapon in the ServiceNow area. So these are the three major channels normally I will use to evaluate the data quality in the business landscape. The first two, it's a typical straightforward, just to do it. But which one I need to use if I want to get this 100%? Actually, any one it will not give this 100%, because everything it is in a walk state. It should go in a run state, means then we can come to the conclusion this one pack it will give you 100% solution. Now it does not. So my recommendation is, if you want to do this data quality check, data quality auditing, then you should mixture this three element and try to use it, improvise your data quality in the business landscape. So I have proved this item to my other customer also enjoyed that output under the resolution area. So I would recommend use the same and happy in your business landscape. So this item, this slide, it's pretty straightforward. I hope this is clear. The common use cases, normally these are all the common use cases in the data auditing point of view we will do. Reassignment tickets, reopen tickets, data restriction point of view, personal identification information, is it displaying or it is masked, what is that, resolution notes, it is updated correctly, accurately. So these are all the items are majorly, we will do this data auditing area. This item you can efficiently handle in this three channels. So use this three channel, definitely it will give you a business benefit in the landscape. It's a proven one. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel for most ServiceNow related topic, niche items, etc. Thanks for your time. Good day. Goodbye.